Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Matt, and today we are gonna go check out a Sakura Festival in Japan, Okinawa, Japan. It's Sakura, cherry blossoms, where the flowers, by the way, I'm with Chris and Kit.
Boy,
They're,
I can't turn around because I'm driving.
yeah, don't turn around. Just keep your eyes on the road. He turns around, you just slam into a car. So the one we're going to is actually at a castle, or rather castle ruins of Okinawa, but there's sakura trees all over the place and it should be really pretty. I've never actually been to this one, so we'll experience it together. What's it called? Where is it at? Nakijin Castle Sakura viewing during Motobu during Sakura season. So let's go see. Guys, we're at the castle. What's this castle called? I keep forgetting. Nakijin Castle. Here it is behind me. Here's a little map. Where are we?
We are right here.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Again, taste of the ice cream.
No. Oh, okay. Well, that's disappointing. Gotta buy tickets. There's really not like any cherry blossoms on any of these trees. It seems like, man, every time I come and look at this thing, there's like no cherry blossoms. Every year I come. This is a different place, but every year I come, there's hardly any cherry blossoms. There's a little bit on that tree. It's also very, very cold outside today. I am very cold. I have this coat on. I need a beanie or something. Doing the video. We're taking a live video right now if you want to see us. Not right now because this video probably won't be released for about a week, maybe. We're at Nakijin Castle. Sorry, I don't have my mic on. Oh, whoa. Look at that view. Whoa. Wait. You got to show them this view.
Beware of venomous snakes. This isn't Halloween, Chris. This is February.
Okay, guys, that was it for Nakijin Castle. We're in the car now, we're going home. I'm gonna take a lot of Kit's video, I think.
Because I'm a better videographer.
What a thief.
Just kidding.
What a thief. No, I was on the live video the whole time. If you guys saw that on the group called Okinawa with 2 asterisks on the sides of it. I could link it below. It's a good group. Yeah, guys, anyway, I was doing a live video the whole time and we were actually, I'm pretty sure we were on live TV. Because that OTV, Okinawa TV news crew was filming and we were directly in their shot. Oh.
Part of live TV, guys.
Okay, guys, wait, we're on live TV. Sure. Okay, wait, he's talking. It's the news station. That's so cool. We're on TV, guys. They're filming. Guys, this is probably on TV right now.
We like frantically tried to dodge their
We were trying to get out of the way. We felt so bad, and then when we exited, the staff was holding back a bunch of the guests because they didn't want anybody to be in the shot, and we were coming from the other side, so we didn't even know.
We had exclusive passes to go in there, basically.
Yeah, pretty much. We were like, we were trapped too. We were like right in the middle, like where the walls, like right at the entrance where there's walls on both sides, and we're like, okay, I guess we're gonna be right in the frame because they're shooting straight down the middle.
The real intention was to get us, because we're going to be famous one day, and they wanted to get us before them.
That's
they wanted
what
to
it is.
preemptively get us before we're famous.
Anyway, guys, that's it for Nakijin Castle Sakura Festival. Thank you so much, guys. If you like content that has to do with Japan or Okinawa or anything interesting having to do with Japan, I'm going to be trying to highlight all kinds of things that I find interesting as an American in Japan, what the differences are, all that kind of stuff. So go ahead and subscribe down below and follow me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.